If you have got your eyes set on the UPSC Civil Services Exam 2027, you have come to the right place. We are about to break down this absolute marathon of an exam into a clear, actionable plan that you can start using from today itself. Hello and welcome to Shikra Academy, where we are having a free master webinar designed exclusively to give you a clear, actionable roadmap for cracking UPSC CSE 2027. Join the highly respected and renowned faculty, Deepika Reddy Ma'am, as she breaks down the UPSC journey step by step along with our esteemed faculties. Now, you are planning to take on India's toughest exam in 2027. That's a huge goal, and it's a journey that's going to test everything you have got, not just what you know, but your patience, your discipline, your resolve. You are aiming to be part of what Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel called as the steel frame of India. And believe me, that journey begins right now. You know, it's easy to think that 2027 is ages away. But in the world of UPSC preparation, time has a funny way of disappearing. The single biggest trap you can fall into is thinking that you have plenty of time. Let's just put this into perspective. As of right now, you have got about 18 months. That's it. 18. That's not a lot of time when you think about it. It's a decent runway for sure, but only if you make every single of these months or those months count. Let's break that down even more. We are looking at roughly 550, 560 days, 559 to be exact. Every single day that goes by is a resource you cannot get back. While some people are still waiting for that perfect moment to start, the clock for you is already ticking down. And this is the number that really or truly matters. If you are studying full time, putting a solid 8 hours per day, you have about 4400 productive hours. That's your real currency. Not months, not days, but focused productive hours. This isn't just about working hard. It's about making every single of these hours work for you. Now, seeing these numbers can be a little intimidating, but that feeling of being overwhelmed, that's exactly why you need a plan. You don't climb Mount Everest just by staring at the top, right? You focus on the very next step. And that's what we will share in this webinar, giving you the map for this entire marathon. To make this whole thing manageable, we are not going to look at as a one giant 2-year project. Instead, we are going to use a phased battle plan. Let's break down the strategy that will guide you from right now, day one, all the way to your final interview. So here it is, the big picture. We have got 4 phases. Phase 1 starts now. This is all about building a rock solid foundation. Phase 2 is the entire year of 2026, where you will master the core syllabus. Then in early 2027, you hit phase 3, the all out prelims sprint. And right after that, in phase 4, the assault for the mains examination. Now, having the perfect plan on paper is great, but executing it over 2 long years, that takes something and else entirely. It takes the mindset. This is the psychological fuel that's going to keep your engine running when the motivation inevitably takes a hit. And the single most powerful idea I want you to embrace is this: be an iterator. So, what's an iterator? It's someone who doesn't wait for everything to be perfect. They just start. They make a mistake, they learn from it, they improve. They make another mistake, improve again, and they just keep moving forward. It's all about progress, not perfection. It's a progress over perfection. The perfectionist waits for the perfect notes or the perfect schedule. They are afraid of making mistakes, and honestly, they often get stuck and never even start. But the iterator, they start right away. Now, with whatever they have, they see mistakes as learning opportunities. And over the long haul, they are the ones who make real and consistent progress. And to help you be an iterator, I want you to remember this one simple rule: never miss twice. You are human, you are going to have bad days, you are going to miss some study sessions. It happens. That's okay. The rule isn't never miss. The rule is never miss twice in a row. If you have a day off, you just make sure that the very next day you are right back on the track. Okay. That's how you build resilience in this marathon. Okay. So never miss twice. So there it is. You have the map broken down into clear, manageable phases, and you have the mindset, iterator's mindset. The only piece missing now is your action. So the real question isn't what you are going to do over next 2 years. The real question is this: what is the very first concrete step you will take tomorrow? And let me help you with that also. Join us in this powerful session where you will learn how to decode the UPSC syllabus for beginners as well as for experienced aspirants, the latest exam pattern, and how to map your preparation. A complete 2 year strategic roadmap for UPSC 2027, smart answer writing techniques, and a live question answer session to get your doubts solved directly by the experts. Mark your calendar, 16th November 2025 at 7 p.m. See you tomorrow. Thank you.